Okay. Hey everybody, welcome back again to the Lower Susquehanna Valley Modular Railroader here in Columbia, PA on 2nd Street. And we're on the air again. And here to explain and tell you all the dates and times, here's my buddy Chris with the dates and times for the Ed King Days here at the club.
Hi, welcome everybody of Don's channel. We are going to be open the weekend starting after Thanksgiving, Saturday, and running through the weekend after New Year's. Saturdays will be open from 10 a.m. to 5, Sunday from 12 to 5.
Good. I'm glad he remembered that. Okay, and not only that, here's the big surprise now, okay? You could have a chance to win this Lionel train set. Okay, comes with everything you need to have to run the train. Okay, it's what is it? It's $5 for one ticket.
Yep.
$10 for three.
Correct.
That sounds like $10 is a better deal.
Yeah.
Okay.
The more tickets you buy, the better chance you get.
Exactly. So yeah, come on down if you don't like trains or whatever. Well, maybe you can win one.
Absolutely.
Okay. So remember, kids, hey, get the parents to come. Maybe they'll like it too.
Absolutely.
All right. Catch you later.
Yep. Bye.